How to fix if your Wi-Fi is not working on Windows 10. Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if your Wi-Fi is not showing on your Windows. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you have to tap on your control panel right here, and on your control center, if your Wi-Fi is not showing right here, then what you can do is simply go ahead and open up services. So for that, you can just search for services right here, and it will open up your services. Now on your services tab, you are just going to go ahead and find WLAN. So just scroll down until you see the WLAN config. Just tap on it. So go ahead and tap on WLAN auto config. And here, if the startup type is anything other than automatic, make sure that you set this to automatic like this. Click on apply and then click on OK. Now all you need to do is head over to your device manager and see if your network adapters are working. So go ahead and find network adapters here. And on your network adapters, this is my network adapter. This is my Wi-Fi network adapter. So I'm just going to go ahead and right click on it. You just want to go ahead and disable this device once and then update the driver and then reinstall it again, and your problem should be fixed. So it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.